Good Friday, everyone. Our weather map today shows a few showers over in East Tennessee, but I think that's where they'll stay. I think we'll have a dry day here on the plateau, but don't be shocked if you see a sprinkle or two, but definitely nothing worth canceling an outdoor plan over. Strong to severe thunderstorms threaten portions of northern Virginia up to Maine, so those folks will have a rough weather day. And folks down in East Texas and western Louisiana will have a rough weather day as well, as they have the threat of strong to severe thunderstorms hanging over their head as well. Looking at our 5-day forecast, don't anticipate any strong to severe thunderstorms over the next 5 days, but we do have a chance for some thunder. Clouds and sun today, though, highs in the mid to upper 70s, and then Saturday and Sunday, a 50% chance now of showers and thunderstorms, mainly in the afternoon and evening. I think the showers part will be more common than the thunder part. So if you have outdoor plans, don't cancel them. Just make sure that you keep an eye on the radar and that if you hear it thunder, you're close enough to be struck by lightning. So just be weather aware if you're out and about that there could be some thunder and lightning in the area that you need to seek shelter for. Clouds and sun on Monday, highs in the mid to upper 70s, before we introduce another 50% chance for showers and thunderstorms on Tuesday. Looking at Hurricane Lee. So we started out yesterday. I was telling you about Hurricane Lee. It was a Category 1. Before I went to bed last night, it was a Category 5. That is incredible. I mean, that is a phenomenally impressive jump in intensity. So, I mean, it went so far that I get texts every time a hurricane gets upgraded next category, and it skipped Cat 3. So now we're at Cat 5, 165. Hurricane Center thinks we're headed to 180. It does look like it's going to stay north of the islands, but it looks like it may miss the U.S., but it's too early to tell. I mean, that farthest position indicator there is 2 a.m. next Wednesday. A lot can change between now and then. So it's definitely something to track. It's going to be a major hurricane from now until early next week and maybe even beyond that. So this thing is a powerful, powerful hurricane, an absolute beauty on satellite. So I've been sharing those images on Facebook, but definitely be sure to check that out. On this day in 1900, the worst weather disaster in United States history occurred when a hurricane struck Galveston, Texas. 15-foot wall of water. Can you imagine? Carried away everything. Drowned 6,000 people at least. Anybody of any color or different race, though, may not have been counted appropriately, so the death toll could have been even higher. The hurricane destroyed more than 3,600 homes, total damage $30 million in 1900. Winds up to 120 miles an hour and a 20-foot storm surge accompanied the hurricane. Following the storm, the surf was 300 feet inland from the former water line. The hurricane claimed another 1,200 lives outside of the Galveston area, just from different effects from the hurricane. So definitely a historic day in weather history for our country for sure. And what a terrible, terrible day that was. The meteorologist for Galveston had at one point been a student at Hiwassee College down near Madisonville. So yeah, Isaac, and there's even a book written about him, Isaac Storm. And he was the meteorologist for Galveston Island when this storm hit. So an incredible story. He even lost family members. So definitely incredible story if you ever get a chance to check that out, Isaac Storm. You folks have a wonderful Friday and keep looking at it. For even more weather information, just keep reading along in the blog, meteorologistmark.com.